Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing 3 Amazon multi-tools. Let's check them out. Our first one is the Stand Sport. Number 2 is the FMS. The third one is the EAB. The Stanford Emergency Campers Multi-Tool comes with a polyester carrying bag that includes a belt loop. In this pouch we have the FMS Multifunctional Car Safety Hammer. The EBA did not come with a pouch, but actually fits nicely on your keychain. Alright, here's the top 3 multi-tools. Starting off at number 1 is the Stand Sport multi-tool. Let's get rid of this pouch. I am stoked to try out the hatchet end of this multi-tool. Made out of heavy-duty stainless steel, this little axe actually chops pretty good. Although the clip that keeps the pliers closed did open up on me while I was chopping. In the end, it's still a very impressive little hatchet. Let's go over some of the other features of the Stand Sport multi-tool. As you can see here, there's a little clip that holds the pliers together. This multi-tool is made out of heavy-duty stainless steel. At the top we have the pliers, we have our wire cutters, the axe head, and on the other side the hammer head. Opening up to the inside now we have the file. We also have the wrench and bottle opener. Next in line we have the saw blade. Let's head outside and test the saw. This one worked pretty good. The only thing I didn't like about it is this little latch kept coming undone. It came undone a couple of times on me, and it seems kind of weird having this axe head right on the back of my hand like that. Seems kind of sketchy, you know what I mean? But this one worked pretty good. Moving on, we have our screwdriver. Next we have the knife. Let's try it out. This knife does have some difficulties. Super dull. Wouldn't be too bad if it was sharpened, I guess. Alright, time to close her up and move on to number 2, the FMS Multifunctional Car Safety Hammer. As you can see here, this one's got a clip to hold the pliers closed as well. It also has wire cutters. On one end we have the hammer head, on the other we have the glass breaker. Folding out our knife now. Let's try it out. I'm noticing that these Amazon multi-tools do not come pre-sharpened. This one did okay. Alright, next let's try out the saw. Having a bit of a rough go with the FMS saw. It really didn't saw very well at all. Next we have the screwdriver. The wrench and bottle opener, and the file. Check out the flat black finish on this multi-tool. Close her up and move on to number 3, the EAB multi-tool. Lightweight but durable, this multi-tool features a set of pliers. Also has wire cutters, and this multi-tool is easy enough to close with one hand. At the top we have our screwdriver and bottle opener, the perfect multi-tool to connect to your keychain. Time to try out the knife. This little one did pretty good. Next we'll try out the saw blade. That actually worked the best was this little guy here. All right, let's close her up and let's do an overview of all 3. Subscribe. All of these multi-tools did pretty good. I do like the one with the hatchet on the end, but the keychain one is definitely my favorite. If you want to pick up any of these multi-tools, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bonus clips! So I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. Tell me which multi-tool you think was the best. The first one, the second one, or the third one. Leave your comments down below. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!